For social studies this week, you are going to be accessing our Social Studies Weekly magazine, actually in your My SDMC through one of the tiles. So here you're going to see all your tiles on your main page, and you are going to scroll yourself down all the way towards the bottom, past Schoology, and you're going to find Studies Weekly. So this is where you're going to find your weekly assignment. So you can work on this all in one day. You can break it up and do it across a couple of days, but this is your weekly assignment. So you won't have something every day, but it must be done by the end of the week. So this week is 4 days, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then have it done by Friday. So I don't believe that you will see the other grades, but you're going to find the one that says second grade. There's a 2 on it right here. So you're going to, welcome to second grade. That is what you are going to click on. And this is going to be, we're going to find week 4. Week 4. So last week we did week 3, and that was the rules and responsibility. There was that write up on George Washington. We're going to click on week 4, and it's all about good citizens. Good citizens. So this is very interactive. I think you're going to really enjoy it. So instead of just reading the articles, you have the option here to be read to. So you would click play right here, and it'll read you this page. So you can read what that means to be a good citizen. Before you go on to the next page, scroll down, please, and answer these questions. You get to earn coins. So every question that you get correct, you actually earn yourself the amount of coins right here. So this one would get you 10 coins if you answer who is responsible for making a community a good place to live. So that was told to you up here. So make sure you really read and find out the answers. You are able, if you don't know, please go back up and read it and find the answer before you just choose one. So you earn those coins. Make sure you answer all the questions on here before you go to the next page. Then you can just click next, read a little bit more. Here you'll read about the Constitution and what the U.S. Constitution is. You'll see who this guy is. This is James Madison, and he helped write the Constitution. But you'll read about that, and then same thing. Please scroll down and answer the questions about the Constitution. That's how you earn all your coins, okay? It's like a fun little game. And then you get to go on to the next page. So again, you can do this all in one day if you have time, or you can answer a couple questions each day. But I'm just going to leave that up to you as long as it is done by Friday. And at the very end, there's just those, again, same thing, a little question after each one, okay? So go ahead and do that this week. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Have a beautiful week.